Welcome back to our vlog. Today is Tuesday and we are sitting here out in the living room. Asher is working on his homework. Abby just got back from a golf lesson.
I'm so tired.
She's tired. This is just to try if she likes it. And she did like it. And Brandon is currently doing a phone call prayer meeting. So we've been having a great day so far. I have been a little bit with an earache today. I think it's allergies, to be honest. But anyways, if you're new to our channel, I would like to welcome you. And if you've been following, welcome back. If you have not subscribed, please do so right now and turn your notifications on. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as you watch the video. Today is just a little of a testing video or vlog because I am not using my phone today. Today I'm using my new camera that Brandon got me for my birthday. It's the Canon GTX2. So that's what I'm using right now to vlog. So this is just like testing our new camera vlog. So you're gonna see a lot of things, you know, throughout the vlog that I'll be vlogging. The outside view this evening was beautiful. The weather outside is beautiful, so I decided to start the vlog that way. So right now I'm just sitting here and resting for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning that kitchen because it is a mess. Abby, it's laying right there, enjoying our evening. I still have not started cleaning the kitchen, but I'll show you what they're doing. Brandon and Asher are doing laundry. Hi.
Hi.
Hey babe. Using the new camera, but they're doing laundry right now together. Thank you guys. Alright, I finally put down all the Easter decorations from the tree. I know I said I was gonna keep it throughout the year, but I am honestly thinking I'm just putting it up because I want to put a table there where I can put I'm thinking about my blender and all that right here. Just have it set up. I'm not sure yet, but there's all the Easter decorations right there. I'm here washing the dishes because I have a load right now going on, but I'm over here washing the pots, but I'm running out of soap, dish soap, and I usually do this, not water, usually it's hot water, to get more soap in there. Who else does this? Comment below if you do. Am I the only one that adds water to these things until it's completely gone? Alright, I finished up cleaning the kitchen. Brandon and Asher are still folding clothes. Abby is in bed. I am going to make also my breakfast. It's right there. And I'm also making some muffins for Asher and Abby. I'm making this brand right here. They're only like 99 cents. So I usually buy them already made, but right now it's just what we have. So I'm gonna get my lunch together, my breakfast and my lunch, and then I'll show you what I take for lunch. Alright, I'm gonna take some yogurt. I already poured some in there. I'm just adding the rest of it. This is for in the morning. So I like this little set. I think my siblings got it for my birthday. So taking this is my favorite yogurt. It's a Great Value brand. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm taking that. So I'm gonna cover this right here. That's my first layer, and then I'm going to add some grapes. That they have been washed already. So I'm gonna add grapes. I love grapes. I'm just gonna add this, and then a little bit more. See, there you go. You guys can see that better. So adding, got my grapes right here. Like I said, this has been washed already. And on this top layer, I'm going to add some granola. I think this goes in. It comes with a spoon and fork, but I think I'm just gonna add. Maybe I'll add the granola in a little Ziploc. That'll be best. So I'm adding probably any granola left. So I'm just gonna take my granola and take it. I'm gonna add coconut, flaxseed. Alright, I'm gonna add to the granola bag. I'm gonna add chia seed, flaxseed, and I'm also gonna add coconut flakes for flavor. So I'm gonna add that to my little bag. I'm gonna start with the chia seed. So, whoa, I added way too much. That's a lot. That's a lot of chia. Hold on. I was able to remove some of that chia out of my granola. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit of flaxseed. How did I do this? Flaxseed. No, this, I have to go slow on this. I don't know why the chia just came out lying. Alright, and then I'm going to add some coconut flakes. And then, see, I love coconut, so I'm going to close it. I'm going to mix it. it is, guys. All right, now I'm gonna put my spoon and my fork here. And then I'm gonna cover this. And I'm gonna put it in, oops. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna make 2. And it calls for half a cup of milk per bag, so it's gonna be a total of 1 cup of milk. So I'm gonna add the cup of milk. I already have a measuring cup right here. I am not a baker, so the easier it is, the best. There you go. So we're gonna add that to this. I already have the oven. The muffins are in the oven. We have our coffee ready for in the morning. Our kitchen is completely clean and laundry has been folded. We had a very productive evening. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and follow us on Instagram at the NIXON'S Nook. We hope to see you guys later, and comment below. So sorry guys, the camera died. Like I was saying, make sure you comment below so we can get to know each other better. I hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and we'll see you guys in the next video.